Hello everyone, today we're going to learn contractions in English. So if you're interested, let's continue.
I am. Um. I am 27 years old. I'm 27 years old. You are. You are. You are such a liar. You are such a liar. Are not. Ain't. Are. Aren't. They are not playing game. They aren't playing game. He is. His. He is brilliant. He's brilliant. Is not. Isn't. Jacob is not paying attention. Jacob isn't paying attention. She is. She's. She is such a beautiful girl. She's such a beautiful girl. They are. They're. They are playing basketball. They're playing basketball. We are. We are. We are going to Italy tomorrow. We are going to Italy tomorrow. That is. That's. That is my book. That's my book. There is. There's. There is a girl waiting in the lobby. There's a girl waiting in the lobby. Were not. Weren't. We were not invited to the party. We weren't invited to the party. Was not. Wasn't. Jack was not telling the truth. Jack wasn't telling the truth. Does not. Doesn't. She does not understand him. She doesn't understand him. Do not. Don't. I do not like Mexican food. I don't like Mexican food. Did not. Didn't. He did not know what to do. He didn't know what to do. I will. I will be there tomorrow. I'll be there tomorrow. You will. You'll. You will learn English faster if you focus on speaking. You'll learn English faster if you focus on speaking. He will. She'll. He will be on vacation next year. He'll be on vacation next year. She will. She'll. She will be on vacation next week. She'll be on vacation next week. They will. They'll. They will be here soon. They'll be here soon. We will. Will. We will try our best to keep her safe. We'll try our best to keep her safe. It will. It will. It will be fun. It will be fun. Will not. Won't. I will not be able to walk again. I won't be able to walk again. I would. I'd. I would like a cup of tea. I'd like a cup of tea. You would. You'd. You would love to meet him. You'd love to meet him. We would. We'd. We would like to go on a vacation. Would like to go on a vacation. They would. They'd. They would be here soon. They would be here soon. He would. He'd. He would be honest. He'd be honest. She would. She'd. She would be happy. She'd be happy. Would not. Wouldn't. Henry would not ask her out. Henry wouldn't ask her out. Have not. Haven't. I have not done my paperwork yet. I haven't done my paperwork yet. Has not. Hasn't. Alex has not finished his homework yet. Alex hasn't finished his homework yet. Had not. Hadn't. They had not finished their homework. They hadn't finished their homework. Need not. Needn't. You need not worry about future. You needn't worry about future. Might not. Mightn't. I think you might not be wrong. I think you mightn't be wrong. Must not. Mustn't. They must not worry about grammar too much. They mustn't worry about grammar too much. Should not. Shouldn't. You should not be worried about me. You shouldn't be worried about me. Cannot. Can't. I cannot speak Spanish. I can't speak Spanish. Could not. Couldn't. Ella could not understand the situation completely. Ella couldn't understand the situation completely. I have been learning English. I've been learning English. You have been watching television. You've been watching television. They've got to start learning English. They've got to start learning English.